Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on co-creating for the higher self. Previously in these workshops, we've actually dealt with making a connection to the higher self. We're now going to expand upon that to create a co-creative relationship. So you work with your higher self to create greater miracles. So in co-creation, you're going to learn how to combine your energy with that of your higher self and find that co-creation releases a power that's totally beyond the sum of the parts. So you're going to be learning about the rules which make co-creation possible, how to activate it. So when you actually do work with your higher self on these things, you can create far more than you would have dreamed possible. It's not just you plus your higher self, but the co-creation energy itself becomes something much bigger. You're going to learn the principles which make that happen. And once again, there'll be a magical attunement that'll actually put you in a space of co-creation with the universe. Changes your relationship to the universe to one of manipulation, one of co-creation, to make this magic really possible. So this is a very powerful and deep change that's going on here. That'll put you in a position of co-creation with your higher self to create your dreams, basically manifest everything much faster. So for all those who want to keep going with this work and expand further and manifest faster, I look forward to working with you.